Shut up and sit down.
So this is a set of cup holders we're working on for the truck, so no idea really what way it's going to turn out, but I'm going to give it a go here and just start cutting and shape this into something and see how we get on. Not bad for an amateur welder. Not a bad start that anyway, so should be able to get this in the truck now somewhere and make some brackets for it. So my original thought is to put it somewhere like this. I might go a wee bit further back with, but that's the gear lever in the forward position as well, so I'm thinking if it was somewhere like that, it'll work well and I'll make a couple of wee gussets for it. And then I'm thinking what I might do is either coat it in something rubber that I can set the phone down, or make a ledge here maybe or something, or a wee pocket into it that I can put the phone into, like maybe a wee rectangle pocket or something into it, so that I can sort of just set my phone in there when it's plugged into the head unit or the Android Auto, and that'll take care of another wee thing. So hopefully it should be grand. It'll definitely perform its function anyway, and that's all I really want, somewhere to put a drink. So should be good. So we'll keep working on it and see how we get on. So it's been a couple of weeks since the last time I shot a video on this, and I've had it G-clamped in there, and I'm pretty happy with it. It's not really interfering with anything. Couple of things, it needs a wee bit of stiffening, and it's going to have some sort of rubber put down in the actual cup holders, because if you put a set of keys or something in there, it just rattles away. So I'm going to get this out, get some holes drilled in it and bolts put in, and I think I'm going to weld a couple of gussets into it and have it sorted. So let's get to it. This thing here was a little bit flimsy when it was in the truck and it's vibrating, so I'm going to add some gussets, drawing them out here, take them over, cut them out with the grinder, and we'll get them welded on.
Shut up and sit down. Shut up and sit down.
cup holder all in now, bolted in, and pretty happy with it actually. I'm gonna make just a wee strip ledge here, I think, just to finish it off, and then the phone cable can all go in there, and that should hold the phone at a nice angle and all too. Yeah, there we go. A couple of bits of rubber down in the bottom. Maybe put a wee bit of rubber grip mat in here. That's that job done. For now anyway, I'm just going to let it go and run it for a while, and then I'll probably take it back out and make a few more changes, see how I get on. A wee bit of 3D printing going on at the minute. I'm just waiting to get it back. To fill that, I'm going to make a wee pocket, goes in here, and that should finish off the interior pretty well. So a couple of things we've done the truck in the last couple of weeks. I didn't have time to actually film any of it. I was just busy, had a couple of things going on. So the truck has done another 300 miles now. I've added on a set of nice strand LED light bars on the top and marker lights. I'll turn them on in a minute, we'll see them. I also got these toolboxes made, or tool drawers really, I suppose, more than toolboxes. But yeah, they're going to be awesome. Wee bit of fettling to get them mounted in, but I'll probably throw in a couple of images here from the CAD. Drew them up in CAD, and you know, once you measure everything up in CAD and you've got it right, you can be pretty sure they're going to fit. So they're perfect. They're the full length of the space to the chassis, pretty much the full width. And yeah, got a nice set of heavy duty drawer runners on them. Good job. Far better than a toolbox that you can't get anything in or out of the back of, so glad I took the extra time to do that. And what else have we been up to? Yeah, really just those lights. I did a bit of rewiring, done some tidying up, just to get everything working again. So I'll show you these light bars and marker lights here now. I think I have some pictures of them probably somewhere. So we'll look at them, and then so yeah, that's the side light function on them, or the marker lights. I think they're pretty awesome, and it's just something different. They look really good at night, so they, along with the whole thing. I just thought it was something different, and when you actually put the work lights and the full beam on, they actually make some serious light, so you actually see where they're going. So I think that's more important than anything, to be honest, with these things, is actually to be able to drive them. So that's what I done. Just to finish off, the truck was entered into DeBoss Garage's online International Car Show 2021, and I managed to get through to the finals of a few categories. So I just want to thank everyone that voted for it, and I think there's still voting going on in the open category. We're in the last 25, but yeah, thanks everyone. Didn't expect as many people to vote for it as they did, and I just wanted to say thank you, and hopefully we'll get out to some real car shows in the near future, but we'll see. We're a bit behind the times here in Northern Ireland, so we're still in lockdown. So anyway, thanks everyone, and I'll hopefully try and get a few more videos out maybe in the next few weeks. We'll see how I get on. I'm currently doing a extension to the shed over here outside, so might do a few videos on that, something different. And then we're waiting on a few parts for Davy's Dodge, and I think Andy's LS might be coming back in for a checkup and a bit of a service at some point, so I'll see if I get some footage of that. Alright, all the best, cheers.